Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to affiliate in TikTok Shop without 1K followers. So the first thing that you gotta do is to go into seller.tiktok.com on your browser, and you want to choose the region in which you are selling. In my case, I'll just go for Asia, and this is very important, by the way, because this would determine the region that you are selling, and of course that would be very important on your target audience and so on right here, depending on your location. So I'm gonna go for Philippines on this one right here, and all you have to do basically in this step is to provide your details like phone number, password, and so on. It would even ask for address maybe, or maybe some IDs, but yeah, all you have to do is just provide the information that TikTok is gonna ask of you, and then once you're done, you can proceed to the next step. Alright, so now once you are done with that step, then now you can proceed to the next step when you are here in the dashboard of TikTok Shop. So the next thing is you want to find the My Account tab, which is this one right here in my case, in the left side. You want to expand that, and then you want to click on Link TikTok Accounts. And then from here, you would need to link your official account right here so that you can get started on getting affiliate products on the TikTok Shop. So you can click on Link Official Account. And then from here, this would show up right here. All you have to do now is go into your TikTok app. All right, so now here we are in my TikTok account and my mobile phone. So what you want to do is go into your profile first. And then from here, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right of your screen. And then once you're here, you want to tap on My QR Code. So you want to click on that or tap. And then from here, you want to tap on the top right again. And you want to tap on that scan code icon. So from here, all you have to do is point it into the code of your QR that was pop up in your TikTok Seller Center, and then you would be prompted with this one right here. All you have to do now is tap on authorize, and now all you have to do is simply add products into your video so that you would be able to sell them as an affiliate, and then you would get some commissions out of it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.